Hi, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Microsoft Quick Assist to remotely control someone else's computer. Now, you do not have to be on the same Wi-Fi for this to work. Now what you want to do is head over to the search bar and search Quick Assist right here. You can type it in right here or click it right here. Quick Assist right here. Then you have all these options right here. You have Microsoft Quick Assist enables two people to share a computer over a remote connection so that one person can help solve problems on the other person's computer. Get Assist allows someone else you trust to assist you by taking control of your computer. Please enter the 6-digit code that was provided to you. This in case somebody else wants to control your computer right here. You see, in case somebody wants to control your Windows computer right here. This one that I am on right now, somebody can send you a code on the other computer. Now, if you want to give access so that you can control somebody else's computer right here, click assist another person over a remote connection. Click this right here. Then you have a code and then you have to enter your email every time right here. You have to enter your email right here or your password right here too. So I'm gonna enter it right now. Right there. Now that you're entering it right there, it's gonna ask you for the code so that you can give it to the person right here. You see, security code. Code expires in 10 minutes right here. Now, how do you want to deliver this? You can copy to clipboard, send to email, provide instructions, or start over right here. Now, on the other computer, you want to open up right here. You want to open up Microsoft Quick Assist right here. Quick Assist right there. And then you want to enter the code that was given to you right here. Right there. Then it's going to be saying share screen right there. Then you want to share it right here. It says wait for a helper to set up this session. Now it's going to ask you on your computer that you want to assist it right here. See connecting right there. It says right here take full control or view screen. If your partner that you are taking control of your computer trusts you to take control of their computer so that you can do anything you want with your computer, like help them, you can click right here. But if you just want to view the remote screen without having full control, you can click right here. You want to take full control, click continue right here. Then it says connecting, and then it says waiting for a helper to set up this session. It says right here on the other computer. And FC will be able to see your files on your computer. Your computer, please shut down any non-essential applications and remove any private data you do not want them to see before clicking. Click allow right here. Then it's going to be saying right here, you see on the computer right here, it says sharing screen on. Then you have quick assist right here. You can pause it right here. You see? You see everything that I'm doing on the other computer is showing right here. You see? The desktop is different on the computer. So that's how you know that this is a different computer right here. Now, what you have is the select a monitor, which I don't have another monitor connected to the computer right here. Now, I'm going to exit select monitor. Then you have right here, which is Annotate, which means that you could draw on it if you want. Right here, you can draw, and then you can see it on the other screen. Right here, you see? You should be able to draw with Annotate right there. Now click out of Annotate. Then you have this mode, which is actual size right here, which will give you the actual size, but you do not need that. Then you have toggle instruction channel right there. Then you have this rotate. Then you have task manager, which will bring up the task manager on the other computer right here. You see, in case you want to remove a setting that you have right here, like this one, end task right here. Then it ends the task right there. Now you see, you have the pause and you have the end right there. Then you have the details right here of what all these are right here. Now I'm going to be entering a program right here. I don't know if it's going to be working right here, but let's see what we have on this computer right here. You see, you can do helping the other computers they have technical problems right here. You see, you are able to see the other person's computer right here. Now I'm going to click the files right here on the other computer. You see, on both computers, they should be turning on right here. Anything that I am doing will show up on both of the screens right here. It's just that on one screen, you're going to be seeing the full screen on your computer right here. And then on the other computer, you're going to be seeing just the screen of the computer and not these taskbar right here on the other computer. Now, you can just see what they have right here. You see, sometimes it's going to be a bit laggy. That's because you're doing it over Wi-Fi and with a code right here. You see? You see, everything I am doing is showing up right here. So now you can look at the person's computer if you want to see the problem that they have, like this right here. You see the headphones are right there. Then you can type right here. If you want to do technical stuff like this might take a while for it to work right here, because sometimes the computer might lag on the other side. That's because you're sharing the computer screen with the other person right here. Now, what you want to do is you can go into settings right here. You can even type on the with the other computer keyboard right here. Settings right here. You see? Then you can do whatever you need to do in the settings panel to do your technical support with the person you are helping right here. So now if you want to end it, click right here. Click the end button, and then it's going to be ending on the other computer right here. It says right here, screen shared has ended. If you still want to share your screen, ask your helper to reconnect, and then you can start sharing again. Otherwise, you can close quick access right here. You can reach, it says right here on the other screen. On the other screen, it says screen sharing has ended. Either you or the person you are helping has ended the screen. You can either reconnect, quick access right here. You can click right here to reconnect the screen. Click reconnect right there. Then it's going to be connecting without you even having to put the code back in. Reconnects to you if you do not want. You do not need the code to reconnect right here as I did right here. Now to stop it, you can stop right here. Now you want to exit out right here. Then on your other computer, just exit out right here. That's it for this video, guys, on how to use Microsoft Quick Assist to connect remotely to someone else's computer. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more how-to videos on how to connect remotely to someone else's computer.